Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to add various business categories and various merchants under the categories through the yellow admin dashboard. So I'm also going to show you how to add various categories and products under a specific merchant. See, bifurcating merchants under specific business category really helps the customer to navigate through the website with relative ease. So let's start by adding a business category. So in order to do that, I will click on just a second. You click on configure, and under that I'm going to click on order settings and catalog option. As you can see, there are already 4 business categories here, and you can add as many categories as you want by simply clicking on this tab. Here you can write your name, and here the image of the category. Just simply add it here. So now I'll show you how to add a merchant and place it in one of the business categories. In order to do that, I'll go on grocery stores, and click on one merchant, say rare earth. So here you can see the details of rare earth. So here you can add any category. You can add the merchant in any category you want. I'll add this in grocery. You can also edit the details given here. You can add the address. You don't want the display address to be too big, so you can add the display address as per your convenience. Here you can add the logo. Here you can add the banner image, and these are the other options: serving area, QR code. Okay, moving on. Now we'll click on catalog option, and I'll show you how to add the various categories, subcategories, and also the products under the subcategories and categories. So as you can see, to add the category, you simply click on your add, enter the name of the category, drop an image if you want. That's totally optional. And under category, you can also add a subcategory. So for example, in under vegetables, you can add Jain and non-Jain. So that's totally optional. Also add products from here, fill in various details, and simply click on add. You can see the product details here. Vedaka green tea. Adding various categories and subcategories really helps the customer to order quickly and quite efficiently. Now moving on, we'll go to, oh no, before that, you also have the option of changing the layout of the categories and products. In category, you have 3 options: list view, grid view, and banner view. Under product view, you have 2 options: list view and banner view. So I'm going to go with list view for both of them. And in case you don't want to add the categories manually, you can import or export a CSV file, which will help you add the categories by itself. Moving on, there's another option called configuration. These are the little details of how you want to run your operations, how a particular merchant wants to run his operations. So you can see date wise availability, time wise availability. Say if you want your shop to be closed on Sunday, so you can do that. Currently, I'm keeping it open on every day, so I'll just click on full time. Then there are two delivery options: on demand and scheduling. You can either go with scheduling or on demand, or you can even go with both the options. So that's totally up to you. You also toggle on the business categories, and these are the other small details which will help you run your operation smoothly. So now we'll see how the customer facing website looks like. Marketplace. As you can see here, there are four categories: bakery, grocery, essential restaurant. We'll go with grocery as of now. And rare earth. So not rare earth. We'll go with restaurant. Okay, so I'll just click on bowls and spoons, and as you can see, it will be shown according it will be shown according to the layout that you have chosen. So that's that. I hope I've been very clear today. Thank you and a good day.